Welcome back. Well, a complete outperformance for the Bank Nifty, up around 1,000 points plus at this point in time, and the Nifty sitting pretty at 17,250 odd. But time now to focus on our special segment this afternoon, Inside Edge. Sonia today is focusing on M&M and Escorts Kubota. Both the corporates, while interacting with us, told us today that they have raised the industry guidance post strong sales in the month of September. Sonia, tell us more. You were talking to the managements. What were the key takeaways?
So, the big story is this, right? Tractor makers, because of very strong sales in September, have gone ahead and raised their full-year growth guidance for the industry. M&M has raised the tractor growth guidance from 3 to 5% earlier to 5% plus now, while Escorts has raised the guidance. They said that the industry will grow 5 to 7% year-on-year in FY23. Now, the growth rates have been picking up over the last many months. M&M has reported its highest ever tractor sales in the month of September, and they said that the tractor segment market share has picked up and will stay steady at about 40% plus. But just take a look at the growth rates for both M&M and Escorts over the last 4 months. Now, in June and July, M&M saw a degrowth of 13 and 14% respectively. It improved to a growth of 1% and then 20% in September. Similar is the case for Escorts. In June and July, a degrowth over there, and then 7.5% in August, followed by almost 39% in September. So what are the reasons for an improvement in tractor demand? One, of course, is the onset of the early festive season, so the year-on-year numbers look pretty good. Next, you have the above normal monsoon, which has led to an improved reservoir level and hence improved crop production. The crop prices are also holding quite firm, and that has led to more demand, and the Kharif crop harvesting will start soon. Hence the order book is looking pretty good for many of these companies. But let's not forget that M&M has been one of the strongest stocks. It's rallied 50% this year already, while Escorts Kubota as well has seen about an 11% rally. But yes, raising the tractor industry guidance is the big story. In fact, let's listen into the key takeaways that we had from our conversations with both M&M and Escorts.
In the latest estimates on growth released by TMA, which is Tractors and Mechanization Association, we have come up with a 5% plus growth number there. So I think that 3 to 5 band is now 5% plus in that sense. I think all that phantom demand has been serviced well by us and other players in the industry. How I would see it is that interest rate and upcycle is always a dampener for any industry that you would say, especially the industry like auto and tractors, which are like heavily financed. I think there are some more price increases that the industry will have to take in the remainder of this year. So a combination of price increases and commodity softening will bring our margins up. We continue to be the most profitable tractor company, and we intend to keep doing that on a regular basis. We will maintain a market share upwards of 40%. In fact, as I said, we will gain some market share over last year. So I would say that our guidance would be in the similar pattern.
The first 6 months of this fiscal, the industry has already grown more than 10% now. So even if you assume a flat industry in the balance of the year, you will still grow more than 5%. So obviously the guidance, I think what the peers are giving, I think is right. So we have been saying it will be mid-single digit growth, so it can be anywhere between 5 to 7% now. The late monsoon obviously has caught up, and the overall the inflow still is above normal. So we expect the coming season will obviously be good for those sectors. So when the retail may be low in the current period, but there are certain sections which are doing extremely well on retail side. So the Central Indian belt like MP or Rajasthan or Gujarat are doing extremely well on the retail side. So overall, yes, when the festive season gets preponed, there is some pressure because the money is still not in the hands of the farmer. So some delay happens. So I think by the time the market picks up, October will be a big month for retail.
All right, so that was valuable